Hi, this is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to see your time on Facebook. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go. There are some harsh truths you'd rather not face, like what you really look like eating a turkey drumstick or how you sound while you sleep. Similar to how many hours you spend on Facebook and Instagram is a potentially shame, including data point that for years you've had no real ways to access. But today, Facebook has been widely and quietly rolling out a tool that lets you measure how much time you spend using both the Facebook and Instagram apps. So first of all, of course, we have to open our Facebook, I'm sorry. Now you can just tap on the upright, the three lines over here. You can tap on settings and privacy, tap on settings. You can scroll down. On preferences section, there is an option, your time on Facebook. You can just tap on that. You can tap on see your time, where you can see how much time you've spent on Facebook and what you're doing with your time. Tap on see time. So here's your time on Facebook, your time per day, the amount of time you spend using the Facebook app on this device, average this week and this average last week. You can also see the day on here. You can swipe left. You can see daytime and nighttime. You spend the amount of time you spend using the Facebook app on this device, and visit the number of times you open the Facebook app on this device. You can see the average day per day this week, average per day last week. It's so simple, right? So that is how to see your time on Facebook. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.